pressurization in the pump discharge.
Consequence pipe in rupture.
Final consequences, yes.
Rupture in the pipe.
Potential over pressurization. I think if you see, I think this we can take the same thing, right?
Yeah, same thing.
We can take the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
We can consider this same. I will change the tag number. And MPS main pump are running with the blocked or high pressure with high. Running with the high suction pressure. High with the high pump suction MPS pump running with high pump suction pressure. Suction pressure. MPS
pump suction pressure up to 60 bar. Up to 60 bar gauge suction pressure.
Pump suction pressure. Suction pressure up to, right? 60 bar G.
Delete this. Exceeding the downstream piping design pressure. Line rupture, yes, that is all okay.
Now this is correct.
This is all okay.
Okay.
Potential fire.
So yes. Ultimately, we are going to keep the same consequence P5. This is credible scenario. And as per Ananta, we are going to keep the same condition modifier 100% fatality. Now I want to know the causes for this PT to work. Why the PT will come into the picture?
Why the PT will come into picture? Suppose there is a block discharge in the pump. Okay.
So
and
this we have taken on.
In case, then it will lead to suction pressure increasing up to 60 bar gauge.
Yes. So that means this cause will remain same, right?
Downstream cause block flow of the common. Okay.
From the hazard sheet, you can consider the causes.
That is okay now.
Yeah, that is okay. So we are saying any manual valve, any MOV closure at the downstream of the pump discharge. So this is a BPCS control loop failure is 0.1 and enabling condition none. So for this case, this PT we have taken at pump suction PT 1012. This is correct.
Yes.
PSAH will trip the pump. This is correct, right?
This will also trip the pump, but more important is the suction pressure has to first activate.
Yes, that will put into the remark section. That will put in the remark section. So now you tell me one thing, Roman, this PT 101205 ABC, this is we are reviewing, right? This is what we are reviewing.
Yes. So whether it is adequately now system is designed after adding this PT.
Yes. So I will put it here. PT will initiate this PT. And this PT will initiate is to will sense high pressure and will initiate SD2. This is correct, right, Roman?
Yes. And tripping the pump.
And trip the pump, okay. Yes, okay. So now coming back to this one, I will remove this one because if you see now what we were saying that then this will come into the picture, right? This we can take credit. This is a common one. This I can take credit, right?
Yeah, we can take the credit of each and everything, but the important thing is that has to limit the suction pressure. Otherwise, in case if that PT is not working, then everything credit taking will not be beneficial.
Yes. We'll make a recommendation, make the set pressure point accordingly so that this can come into the picture.
Yeah, set point is already defined, 50 bar.
50 bar.
Okay. So PSD.
So in case at 50 bar it trips, then we need to analyze whether the system right now working with this PT is adequate or not.
1011. 11 dash 02 dash 02 will trip
But
Will trip the pump.
this discharge pressure, high pressure, trip pressure is less than design pressure, right?
This
88 or something.
139.
No, trip pressure.
For high, at the 88 it's a common there.
Common.
It is.
And in the pump discharge,
We didn't identify that, but I think it's 139.
same
The
as
same rating of the piping.
it should be less than 10% at least.
The rating is actually it's not actual.
So, Mr. Chairman, we have PT high at the pump discharge, individual pump discharge, and at the common pump discharge also.
Yeah.
Okay, so that will trip the pump.
Now, before that, I would like to take the credit of this pump suction PT, because this will also go under high pressure, no?
This is high or high. Yes.
High and low both. So this will sense
But
high and low
here
both.
also we have high, huh? Suction pressure
Yeah.
higher.
I don't
We'll
recommend
take this one.
I want to remove this high hard because it doesn't need because I already have a voting upstream.
That is okay. Leave it, na.
Leave it now because it's already
Existing system also, no. Otherwise, the existing pump also you have to delete.
I have two action with the same transmitter, high and low.
It's a separate issue, but the device need to be high instruction.
Okay.
Suppose your two out of